Hi friends, Tracy.bish here, Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Australia. Welcome to Tracy's Sunday Challenge for the 3rd of December. Can you believe we are so close to Christmas? I am actually going to show you the Rustic Christmas Countdown Kit. This is part of the kit collections. It's available now. I have a link in the description of this video if you would like to purchase it. If you do want it, grab it now. It is an advent calendar, but you can use it in different ways, and I'll sort of talk to you a little bit about that. I'd planned to maybe get this out a lot earlier than I am, but you know, things happen and I just haven't had a chance. So we're doing it for Tracy's Sunday Challenge. This week's challenge theme is rustic or country, so that's where we're going. But I really want to show you this kit. So I've got all the kit. It makes 24 little envelopes, which is really great. It's an advent calendar as such. And we're going to there are 4 designs, and you make 6 of each design. So this is the first design here. I'm not really going to talk too much about it. You can see as we're creating, but I really love this kit. This kit is super cute. So like I said, 4 designs, 6 each of the designs. And I will say, this one, I actually didn't read the instructions very well. There's supposed to be 2 lots of the holly in the background, a light and a dark. I've only used one, so I've got leftovers, which is going to work out fine because I can do something else with it. So there's 2 different styles of envelopes. One is like a linen Hessian look, and the other one is a really pretty subtle, almost florally, I would say. They're a really nice neutral colour. So there's 2 different designs of the envelopes, cute little pegs that go with these, and then we've got different designs. So we've got like the wreath, which is this one here with the beautiful bow, super cute. Then we have the next one, which, you know, we'll get to it, but everything comes in this kit that you need. So you have dimensionals, you have glue dots, all the die cuts, embellishments, the pegs, the envelopes, everything is included in the kit. So really easy to do. So this is the second design here using the holly and berries. So everything has been pre-printed, pre-die cut. You just have to punch them out of the die cut sheets and pop them together. This kit actually, you know, there's a bit to the kit in the fact that there's 24 envelopes, but honestly, it doesn't take you too long to get through them. So it's a lot of fun. Get the kids involved. Maybe you could get the kit and use it for the kids as Christmas crafting. One thing I will say, because you know we've already started December, so it's a little bit late for advent calendars, but what I thought I would really like to do would be to use this over Christmas. So I've got my kids coming home, or one of my eldest child is coming home. She lives a few hours away, so she's coming home for I think a week or so, which is going to be lovely. And my son lives about 40 minutes away, so he'll be here for Christmas Eve and Christmas Day, so super fun. So in this this is the 3rd kit, but the 2nd kit had the holly and berries, which is just a really simple design. This 3rd one here has 2 lots of the holly down in branches. There's also this gorgeous ribbon, which in the kit there is a cherry cobbler and a crumb cake ribbon or twine. The cherry cobbler one is for this kit with a bow, a nice big bow. The crumb cake is for actually what you're going to attach the envelopes to if you're going to hang it as a garland like gift. So there are 2 die cuts here, 2 different colours, one dark, one light. You pop them together with the mini glue dots, and then we're going to add some little of those red, they're not rhinestones, they're like sequins, but really bright and colourful. And we can just add these to the peg. Now with the first one, you are supposed to add all the decorations to the pegs. With the first one that I did, I actually didn't add it to the peg, I added it to the envelope because it just sat so much better. So this one here has a real wooden rustic look, with the wooden piece is where the numbers are, and then we have the holly and berries draping down over the envelope, which is super cute. Now these envelopes, let's see what they measure just quickly. 3 inches across by 4 inches down, and you know, they're not super wide. You're not going to fit a huge amount of goodies inside, but these would work really well with little notes. So maybe you could do activities if you're going to do this for, you know, the whole of the month. You could put activities in, and you could get this and maybe put it away and use it for next year in November. Completely up to you. It's a great kit. Everything's included, so it, you know, just pop it away and bring it out next November. You'll be all good to go. So you can pop in little notes with activities, or you know, you could maybe put a movie title, or you know, so many different activities that you can do over Christmas time. Or what I was thinking for my family would be, you know, that we play a game of some sort, and then they can choose, you know, if they win, they can choose one of the envelopes, and you know, you could put different things inside. Notes obviously probably work better if, you know, that way you can reuse this. It's not going to wreck it. If you're going to put, you know, say a chocolate or a lolly or candy or something inside, it may damage it just slightly if you want to reuse it again for next year. So I highly recommend, you know, putting in maybe just a note. But the other thing I did think of was like scratchies or lottery tickets, things like that, that you know, are paper as well, but you know, they've got a chance of maybe winning something as well, which is super cute. I did see, if you did my 12 days of Christmas, my Christmas crackers that will go on the table, I'm putting scratchies in those, and you know, let's hope, you know, it'd be nice to get set for life or something. I've got my fingers crossed anyway. Usually we don't win too much money on those, but wouldn't that be lovely? So yeah, what I was thinking is we would do, this is the, oh sorry, I've missed the 4th one, which was the poinsettia. I was talking while it was on. So now what I'm doing is I'm going back through and creating the other 5 of each of the designs. So 4 designs, you're making 6 of each one. So I've just made 1 of each. Then with, once I've done all 4, we're going to go through and make the other 5 assembly line style. So really easy to do. What was I talking about? I've lost my train of thought. Yeah, so maybe playing a game and having these as our prizes inside. So if I was to do that, which I really love that idea, because we have a few different games. We've got a huge Jenga game, we've got shoes game, we've got cornhole, which we did all last year, which was super fun. I would love to get a huge Connect 4 game, and just, you know, sit around and play those sorts of things. My family's not a good board game group, but you know, we do like our little games like that. So I was thinking doing these as prizes. So if you guys like that idea, let me know, and if you've got suggestions for me of what I could put inside each envelope, that would be awesome, because honestly I am sort of just leaning towards scratchies. We're getting very, very close to Christmas, and I don't want to put extra stress on myself. So maybe the scratchies are a great idea. They're certainly very easy to get and pop inside. But if you can come up with something else, please let me know. I'd love to hear your suggestions, or you know, any ideas that you may have, that, or you know, if you love this idea, what you might do if you get this kit and recreate this for yourself. So don't forget, you can get this kit in my online store. It is linked in the description of this video, and I'll pop up my site on the graphic here. It is also in the description of the description of the video as well. So I really hope that maybe if you haven't seen this kit yet, please go over and have a look at the kit collections. We are losing some kits as of next year, or as of January, Stampin' Up are bringing out new kits, 2 new kits every single month, which is fantastic. I love that idea. It's almost like as though we're going to get Paper Pumpkin here in the South Pacific, in the fact that we're getting 2 new kits every single month. We don't get Paper Pumpkin here, obviously, so that's super exciting for us. But the older kits are going, so if you haven't already had a look at the kit collection, please go over and have a look at those. Kit collections are also a really great gift idea, whether you're giving them to kids as, you know, boredom busters for the holidays coming up. Maybe you want to give them to your grandma, or you've got a family friend or, you know, relative that likes crafting that maybe doesn't have the money to be able to purchase a lot of craft products, because let's face it, crafting is expensive. The kits are really great because we've got kits that are all inclusive and you get everything that you need to create those cards or gifts, whatever's part of that kit. And if you're purchasing through me, please use this month's host code. I have a few gifts to give to my customers every single month. The first one being a handmade project, which you'll actually see on Thursday. I will be sharing my project with you on Thursday. And I have a bundle tutorial, which I haven't got yet, so I'm not sure how many are in the bundle, but it's a big bundle. This is the Rustic Christmas Countdown Kit. I hope you've enjoyed today's video. Don't forget you can join in today's challenge, or for this week's challenge, which is rustic or country, and I really hope that you will. Make sure you pop your photo of your project over on my business Facebook page in the comments section of that post. Have a wonderful weekend, people, and I will see you all soon. Bye bye.